I don't know. It reminds me of a plant I bought for one of my nuns in St. Cyril's. It was called a Jerusalem cherry. And that was the way they looked. But it actually wasn't really a cherry. It was something. I don't think it was even edible, but I forget. But it looks like it's one of those, so they're related, I think. They look the same, don't they? Those two.
Yeah.
And these are the fireweed.
Raspberries.
Oh yeah. This camera gets very hot. Feel how warm it is.
Yeah.
A greenhouse, a hothouse. So this is kind of intriguing. And tomatoes. Wow. But notice how they've got the roots protected in a black plastic containment system.
That's neat.
And those tomato plants look fairly old.
They look healthy.
I wonder if they take them inside during the winter. And these are apples. These are sunflowers. And these are apples.
I think this is the iris they were talking about. The iris that's in the roses.
Oh, that's these things?
No, the green leaves. I think
Those
are
green.
the irises. I'm not sure though.
Yeah. What did we call them? They could be irises. Remember the flower that Van Gogh painted that Mom loves are irises. And they have leaves like that, but I don't see any the actual blooms.
Flowers, yeah.
Flowers. And roses. They have nice mushrooms. I have mushrooms
our
like that.
mushrooms.
Yeah. And look at this blue can that just grew here. It looks just like one that we have. Funny how the blue can just kind of shows up in places. So this is where you spend all of your time out here growing vegetables.
It actually doesn't take that long. I mean, it's amazing. Like the weed block stuff, that was a Stephanie thing. I used to crawl around on the ground and tear all
pull
the
and
chickweed
this
off.
is it blocks all the weeds.
Yeah, and this just blocks the weeds. And
I was wondering though, how do you keep the moose from eating them all?
you just have a fence that high.
You think they can't get through that?
Yep.
Because
This one over here I built higher. We got the fruit trees, and the moose would just jump and come in and just tore it apart. And so I got this, and then I got that, and that was enough.
Bumper crop of apples.
Huh?
Your apples are wonderful.
Yes, they'll probably be 140 pounds, something like that. Yeah. The cherries are more.